Mastering your proofreading portfolio. Selecting stellar samples. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into the exciting world of professional proofreading and editing. A strong portfolio can set you apart and land you more gigs. But what makes a portfolio outstanding? It's all about selecting representative samples of your work. Let's find out how. First things first, why do we need samples? Think of your portfolio as a showcase. It's like a personal gallery where you exhibit your skills and accomplishments. Choosing the right samples is vital because 1. First impressions. Clients often decide on the quality of your work based on the samples they see. 2. Demonstrate variety. The samples you choose can show your versatility and breadth of experience. 3. Showcase expertise. Certain pieces can highlight specialized skills or areas you excel in. Not all projects you've worked on will fit the bill. So, how do you decide which ones to include? Consider the following criteria. 1. Quality over quantity. Always opt for your best work. It's better to have a few outstanding samples than many average ones. 2. Diverse range. Ensure your portfolio showcases different types of content. This might include articles, essays, ebooks, business reports, and more. 3. Notable clients or projects. Worked on any high-profile projects? Show them off. 4. Clear changes. For proofreading and editing, it's great to show before and after versions. This clearly illustrates the value you added. Once you've selected your samples, it's time to organize them. 1. By specialty. If you specialize in certain areas, e.g., medical editing, technical writing, group these samples together. 2. By type of content. Organize by articles, reports, books, etc. 3. Chronologically, especially if you want to highlight your recent work. Remember, your portfolio is a dynamic tool. Update it regularly as you complete more projects and grow as a professional. Crafting a strong portfolio is essential in the world of professional proofreading and editing. By handpicking your best work and organizing it effectively, you'll present yourself in the best light and attract the clients or employers you desire. We hope this video guides you in building a portfolio that truly showcases your talents. Until next time, happy proofreading!